How's it going, guys? So right now I am at my parents' house. We came here for Easter weekend, and um, so I don't have my 3D printer, and we're not at the house right now. So I figured right now I wanted to talk about my plans with doing homemade 3D printers. I wanted to try and build one. I guess originally I was trying to build a homemade one, so I wouldn't have to actually buy one. But I realized that I had some points from my credit card that I could only use on Amazon, so that was cool. So I bought the cheapest one I could find, which I'm a little bit regretting once in a while. Um, yeah, because it falls apart all the time, and every time I buy a new part for it, it breaks something else. So yeah. Uh, anyway, so my plan with making homemade 3D printers, because I want to make several of them, or CNC machines, or um, like laser etchers or draw bots, drawing machines. There's a few different things I want to make with them, but I'm going to do it with DVD drive parts since they have the stepper motors and the little bars that it slides back and forth on. I'm not sure what those are called. And I'm going to 3D print the actual, uh, I guess like the frame of the printer. So it'll be pretty small, especially because the stepper motors are actually about that big, which limits the movement considerably. That's going to make it so that my the build plate is only going to be able to actually print something that's within like 3 centimeters cubed, which isn't much space, but it would actually be nice to have kind of a backup printer and anytime I need to make a part when my main one breaks, which hopefully won't be a problem for very much longer. But yeah, so now I'm just kind of rambling because I'm really tired. But that's what's going on, and I'll keep you updated with building the 3D printers because that's something I'm really interested in right now. I'm going to jump on that soon. So thank you guys for watching the video, and we will see you on the next one.